how do I do this video? This is the first time I was not there for a car delivery. That too, our own car delivery. So let me give you a small context about what happened. I was here, you guys know I booked the Seltos. I even made a vlog about booking the Seltos. The Seltos 1.4 DCT petrol GTX Plus. Yes, I booked that car, but then, demand is like a lot. So they told it's gonna get delivered by Diwali, which is around 14th of November, which didn't happen. And once I left for the trip, I got a call from Kia saying the car is ready for delivery. I was like, see, I know I can come back and take the delivery now, but then I didn't want to wait because there is a lot of demand, and they already said in case I'm not taking it in the next couple of days, they will give me the next lot, and now the car which is ready will be given to another customer. Already waited for 10 or 15 days. I don't want to wait anymore. We need 2 cars at home, so we went ahead and I told my dad to take the delivery. Here are a few clips from the delivery from the showroom.
అదేంటి
What's up guys? कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hope everyone is doing great. Great. We have our new Seltos here. This is Simon's, my gift actually. Is it?
Yes.
All this okay, but my dad took the delivery. They got it home. They sent me videos. They sent me pictures. I was so happy looking at the new car. But then we were all having fun with bike rides and all that, and I literally forgot that we got a car. Yesterday while coming back home from Bangalore to Hyderabad, Anantapur mein there is Kia factory. I saw the huge Kia symbol, and then I remembered, we took a car. Obviously I was busy riding and all. I came back home, opened the gate, and then there stands this huge beast, not a SUV. I know it's a compact SUV. All my life I've been seeing hatchbacks. You guys know I drive the Hyundai Verna. This is the first time we bought a big car. Now let's go down. Let me show you the car. In Sriman Kota style 120 FPS shots. We're just so happy to announce this, so happy to be in the new car. When my dad told me we got the delivery of the new car, I was like, being an auto enthusiast, I love my cars, I love my bikes. And when I knew the delivery was done, I was like, when will I go back home? But then my ride is more important for me. For my mental therapy, that is more important. This is all physical, this is all material things. For me, experiences and the mental well-being is more important than all this stuff. Of course, I'm happy. Looks really big from inside and from outside as well. Like I told you, I've always driven sedan cars. I'll not, and even you people shouldn't be calling this an SUV. It's a compact SUV trying to be SUV. I would call it a huge sedan with better ground clearance. I know the suspension setup is a little bit on the sturdy side, but I like it that way. I don't like body roll, and I think at least at this point of time in my life I'll not be going for a proper SUV because I don't like body roll somehow. I'm used to sedan cars and hatchbacks which don't have body roll much, and the Seltos fits that bill perfectly. Now baki ka baatein we'll do as we go along. We'll be taking out the Seltos for the first time. Last night I took for a small spin, but my mind was like I was completely tired. Now properly in the daylight I'll be taking it out. From morning till now I've been working. Now let's go have some fun in the car, right? Hope you guys will like my car. Actually, all these covers I'll remove later. No, it's not that I want to keep it, but I don't have time right now. I'm really late. I have to be there by 5 o'clock. Now it's already 4:30 and it's gonna take me at least 1 hour from here. So we'll do the unwrapping session later. For now, let's get out and let me quickly show you. Tiger is all fine, perfect. Just need to get it washed, deep cleaned because it looks horrible. No, don't see it. Otherwise, you people will curse me that I'm not maintaining my bike. I'll never do that. Varna is perfect, and my cute little baby, the street twin, is also perfect. Actually, I thought Dad will not take it out much, but he's using it like regularly. That's good. Oh yes, in my new Kia Seltos DCT GTX Plus Turbo. I'll stop doing this here. And we have second good news, okay? Ready for this? I didn't expect this much of good news when I came back from the trip. Amazing. First thing, I got a new car. Second thing is, let me show you. Wait for a second, okay? Finally, after 6 years, almost closing to 7 years, the road under bridge in Anandbagh that I keep cursing, that's opened. Not two sides. One side they opened, which is amazing. Of course, the road is like bumpy. Car is jumping left and right, but suspension setup is definitely sturdier. Little bit softer than my sedan Verna. And now, for the first time in 6 years, we're gonna go through this bridge. And we enter the Leh Atal Tunnel of Malkajgiri. The other side is yet to open. They're still working on it, but I think it should be open in the next 1 month max, like both the sides. Okay, definitely driving this car is a little bit tricky for me, okay, because I'm coming from a small car sedan, maneuvering it through small lanes. Of course, we have all the 360 camera and all that, a lot of tech inside, but then, yeah, I need to get used to it. I think by the time I'm returning home, I should be fine. Only thing is now I'm going into like proper traffic. This is a DCT mein there are heating issues and all that, but then if you can change your style of driving, it should be good. I have so much to talk about this car. Now let me put the camera aside, enjoy this car for some time at least. Let me go to my friends, show off a little bit to them. The time is literally 7:45 and now I'm leaving to meet my friends. Actually, I had some personal work which I obviously can't share. Personal, got a little bit late. Now let's go meet my friends. Let's see their reactions. I'm very excited to see their reactions. What's up? Okay, Edwin, Charan, Chaitanya, ఈయనైతే రోజు చూస్తున్నారు కానీ అదేరా ఫైనలీ ఫర్మి ఆదిత్య ఫర్మి ద 6:30 PM కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఇస్ హియర్. నాకేమో 9:30 AM కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పెట్టారు. 1250 GS Mr. Shivaji, the captain ని పేరు క్యాప్టెన్ మార్చేసినారా? Done everyone? Yeah. We need to go check the new car. I want your reactions. ఈ బటన్లు నొక్కాలని రెడీగా ఉన్నాడు.
చెప్పిన 6473 బటన్స్.
అరే వెయిట్ లెట్ మీ ఫినిష్ మై కాఫీ. అలా మీరు సడన్గా వెళ్ళిపోయి చూడకండి. వీ నీడ్ రియాక్షన్స్. ఓకే,
నువ్వు తెచ్చుకుని ఉంటావు కదరా
ఆదిత్య, కళ్ళు మూసుకో. నువ్వు కూడా కళ్ళు మూసుకో. వీ వాంట్ యువర్ జెన్యూన్ రియాక్షన్స్. నో నేను ఇంటికి పోతున్నా డైరెక్ట్. వాడు అత్తి చేస్తాడు వచ్చి. ఆగు.
ఇదేరా
మై న్యూ కార్. సేమ్ వైట్. Soon we are gonna get one more car in the group. Search is going on.
అంతా పయోడి దీని దయ.
బాగా వెయిట్ పెరిగింది.
కొంచెం క్యాష్ ఉంది ఇవాళ రేపు.
అందుకే నా ఈ బల్బు ఐ పే ద బిల్ అంటున్నావు.
అంటే వాడిని కట్టమన్నారు అందుకే. అగో వచ్చాడు. ఓకేరా.
ఓకే, హూ వాంట్స్ టు డ్రైవ్? అరే అత్తప్పుడు డ్రైవింగ్ వద్దు. అన్లాక్. వెయిట్.
ఫోన్ లో ఉంది.
The beauty is
వాచ్ లో ఉంది by the way.
నేను ఇంకా చేయలేవని. We'll do it. We want the reaction on the lights because that is the most beautiful part of the car.
అది చేస్తావా ఈ రోజు? So mad.
How's the Josh? How's the Josh?
I like the color.
I don't know who took the delivery.
ఉందా లోపల అది?
అంటే డెలివరీకి మేము లేకుండే కదా.
నేనే లేకుండే. ఓ ఫింగర్ ప్రింట్సా? ఓకే ఓకే. ఏం చేస్తున్నారా?
పీకొచ్చా లేదని చూస్తున్నారా? ఇది నచ్చదు.
అరే
కదా
ఏంద్రా మీ సైంటిస్ట్ డిస్కవరీ లేదు నా కార్ పైన. ఐ నీడ్ టు డూ సమ్ అన్రాపింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్ దట్. సో కవర్స్ తీయలేదు ఇంకా, ముందే డెలివరీ వీడియో లేదు.
టాప్ అండి
సరే
ఎగబడతాను.
I didn't see this. Okay, there's air purifier which is not
కాదు అది రియర్ ఏసీ. ఓ స్మార్ట్ ఎయిర్. ఓ
there is air AC. ఆగో వచ్చిండు మనోడు.
వచ్చిండా బైక్ లో రా. అంతేగా.
You wanna sit in the dicky?
యాక్చువల్లీ కూర్చోవచ్చురా. ఎయిర్ క్వాలిటీ ఇండెక్స్ యా బాగుందిరా.
నేను నెక్స్ట్
Nice
బ్యాక్
LED.
వచ్చేటప్పుడు అక్కడ కూర్చుంటా.
ఓకే నైస్ ఎల్ఈడీస్ రియర్ ఛార్జింగ్
Okay, right now Shiva is driving the car. అరే sound system is something you need.
అరే
Connect. Boss. Next level ఉంది.
అరే ఫస్ట్ సాంగ్ నేను పెడతా.
Hey, nice pickup, dude.
పికప్ కాదు, వాడు ఇంకా ఈకో మోడ్ లో ఉన్నాడు. Put it in sports dude.
అరే రే గల్లీలో
Main road.
ముందర నాబ్ ఉంది చూడు, అది టర్న్ లెఫ్ట్.
బాగానే ఉందిరా పుల్లు.
ఇట్స్ నైస్. ఇంకా
చాలా ఉంది పుల్లు.
ఒక్క ఇద్దరు కూర్చోండి మస్తు ఉంది. మన 5 ఉన్నాం కదా, కొంచెం తగ్గింది.
నమస్తే పెద్దన్నా.
చూపించేయండి.
నమస్తే పెద్దన్నా. అరే క్రేజీ ఉందిరా ఫీచర్.
ఓ నైస్, ఇట్ ఇస్ నైస్.
అంటే పైన కెమెరాలు ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి?
అండ్ పైన ఉండవురా, సైడ్ ఉంటది. డ్రోన్ ఎగరేస్తున్నారు
పైన అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి.
మళ్ళీ
పైన ఎట్లా
No, he'll not tell. I'll tell you. He's asking, you're getting this 360 view. How is it coming? Is there a camera in the top?
టాప్ కాదు, సైడ్ లో ఉంటాయా ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయా అని అడిగిన.
డ్రోన్ ఎగరేస్తున్నా పైన.
ఏం అడగలే.
ఈ టిచ్చి కాపీ కొంచెం మంచి పాటలు ప్లే చేయి.
అరే
శివ టేస్ట్ డ్రోవ్ ఇట్. లెట్స్ ఆస్క్ హిమ్ హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్. డిడ్ హి లైక్ ఇట్? హౌ ఇస్ శివ?
అరే సూపర్ ఉంది.
Like that?
ఎక్సలెంట్.
రేటింగ్
12 out of 10 మనదిరా ఇది.
వీడు ఈజీగా ఇచ్చేస్తాడు రేటింగ్. హీ లైక్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. పాజిటివిటీ.
మనది అంటే ఇంకా బాగా నచ్చుతుంది.
అండ్ ఫ్రంట్ ఐ గెస్ మీటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
Chaitanya, you're not gonna drive it? You drive. We want Chaitanya's feedback. Because
మన
Tigo
దగ్గరనే ఉంటుందిరా.
Yeah,
ఎక్కడ
I know.
పోతుంది చెప్పు.
But first day feels is
We
different.
have every video
No,
for that.
I don't care later about the car. Now it's new, so I have that feel.
ఒక పని చేద్దాం, అది కానీ బయట పడేసి ఎడ్విన్ గాని ఎక్కించుకొని మళ్ళీ పోదాం.
పోదాం. Adi, get out.
బాగుందమ్మా, కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్.
Oh yeah. Charan, how is the car?
Lovely car.
Oh, you
I
like
like the handling, I like the ride, I like the brakes. Brakes were the least part I like.
it? Is it?
అంటే మిగతా అంత బాగుంది.
Okay, maybe.
This is way better than your one. Way better.
Varna se compare karke, I am feeling like this has the best brakes.
Arey, but I like the sound system, the ride, the handling. Features are amazing.
We'll not call it the best car. We're happy.
Good car.
Good car.
Super spacious. Super spacious.
See, that is one of the main reasons we selected Seltos over the Sonnet.
Arey, 5 people we sat comfortably.
Oh yes, yeah. Aditya is enjoying the sound system full on. Oh, by the way, it's got Bose woofer as well.
ఆ స్మెల్ ఏరా నెంబర్ 1.
New car smell.
అరే ఎవరైనా
If you want a new car smell, buy a new car.
అరే
చిల్లర లేదమ్మా.
జాగ్రత్త కాదు ఫస్ట్ విను.
డీలో పెట్టరా క్యూట్ బాయ్. డీలో పెట్టి ఉన్నట్టుండ్రే.
నువ్వు ఎందుకంటున్నావు జర్మన్ లా లేదని? ఇట్స్ గెటింగ్ pretty close to that.
You tell me, you drive. You didn't drive yet.
ఎంతలో ఉండాలి?
Air purifier.
ఎంతలో?
I don't know how useful is it, but
నువ్వేమో
still.
బయట నుంచి
ఎంత
that
తెచ్చిన
feature?
అందుకే.
100 ఎంత?
నాకు తెలియదు అసలు, ఇంకా అక్కడ దాకా రాలే. ఐఎమ్ స్టిల్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరింగ్ దిస్ బటన్స్ హియర్. నేను ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఐ జస్ట్ డ్రోవ్ ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ టు హియర్.
కనిపిస్తుందిరా పాట్ హోల్, ఈజీగా అవాయిడ్
అరే
చేయొచ్చు.
యార్, దిస్
ఇక్కడ
ఇస్ ది
కావాలంటే
బెస్ట్
ఎక్కొచ్చు
ఫీచర్.
కూడా. సీరియస్లీ
But you can still switch it on and keep. Front
at
is
whatever speed.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very useful.
అరే అబ్బా, ఏముంది కార్ అన్ని లేదు. It is very good.
Cute boy, నువ్వు వచ్చే ముందు నాకు తెలుసు.
Oh yeah, this is one more new nice feature.
ఏ మంచి
So when you put indicators, adi we need to remove that cover on it. When you put indicators,
సెంటర్ లో మంచి క్లారిటీ ఉంది.
that is right side. That is left side.
బట్ ఐ థింక్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ క్యారీడ్ అవే. ఇంట్లో వాడు ఈ ప్రైస్ కి ఎన్ని ఫీచర్లు ఇచ్చిండు అంటే
Yeah. I
30
mean,
ఇచ్చినా
all these
31
features.
ఉందా లేదా అన్నట్టుగా ఉంది.
చిన్న డౌట్ ఇది కూడా హిండై లాగా నైట్ టైం లాక్ చేస్తే సౌండ్ వస్తుందా?
లేదు. Today I discovered that.
వండర్ఫుల్.
Lock and unlock. Keep it press for 2 seconds. I'll get switched off.
ఓ పర్ఫెక్ట్.
Okay, so Chaitanya, how would you rate it?
8
8 out of 10.
yes.
That's so much of rating from Chaitanya. That's like crazy.
కానీ ఇది
అరే చాలా స్పెషల్.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ
Space on the leg space is good. How is the ride quality?
రైడ్ క్వాలిటీ ఇస్ గుడ్.
Especially because you're coming from a Volkswagen German drive. That is the reason I want your review.
ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ గాట్ వెరీ క్లోజ్.
Nice.
నీకు నువ్వు హెవీ ఫీలింగ్ అన్నావు చూడు. యూ ఆబ్వియస్లీ డోంట్ ఫీల్ దట్ ఇన్ ద డోర్స్. ఇది
That third.
క్లోజ్ ఇట్. యు
That
డోంట్ గెట్
third is not there. Obviously, German is my. వచ్చానా?
స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా?
చేద్దాం.
వచ్చా నాన్న
వదరా వచ్చారా నీకు వచ్చారా ప్లీజ్ నీకు వచ్చారా
చూపియ్యా. గుడ్ 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 థమ్స్ అప్.
good nice do more drives of this, then we'll understand the total car properly. Abhi to upar I didn't even drive it properly. Yeah, this is one more thing I like.
So damn useful. It'll be useful.
You don't have a Tiguan?
No, I had to get it tinted.
You like it?
అంటే ఎన్వేస్ గివ్ ఇట్ అంటారు ఎందుకంటే
వాళ్ళందరూ జల్లి హ్యాపీ అవుతారు పెద్దగా డీప్కి వెళ్ళరు.
ఏది
అమ్మ శివ అయితే 12 ఇచ్చిండు,
నువ్వు
నేనే లీస్ట్ ఇచ్చా అనుకుంటా. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I know it would be much better if I could do a proper delivery vlog, but this is the best I could do. Unfortunately, I was not here to take the delivery. That's okay. Anyways, I also got bored of doing these delivery videos. I know a lot of people enjoy that, but I should also enjoy doing that, right? Definitely, I'm not saying if I'm here, I would not do the delivery video, because I keep sharing my life with you guys. If I take a delivery of a bike or a car, or I try to showcase a little bit of my life with you guys. That is all about vlogging, right? And a lot of people watch a vlog and they think, why is he showing what he's eating? What kind of diet is he following? See, vlog is a journal, right? It's like a diary. Previously, old generation, they used to write diaries. Now 2020 mein, you make vlogs. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, definitely hit the like button. Do share, do comment, and do not forget to subscribe. For now, I need to fill some fuel, and I forgot I'm going to the diesel counter. No, we have to go for petrol, okay? This is a petrol car. Chalo, tata, take care, bye-bye. Okay, I was completely driving in sports mode from the time I fueled up, and it is showing me 12.5 kilometers for a liter. Before that, it showed me almost 14.9, almost 15 kilometers for a liter, which is pretty good. Like, I don't get this much of mileage in my Verna. That being a diesel, on the highway, it gives me excellent mileage if I drive at 100 to 110 kilometers an hour. I'm talking about the Verna. It gives me approximately 20 to 22 kilometers per liter. I heard the Seltos DCT will give somewhere around 17 kilometers per liter on the highway. But in the city, this is impressive, because my diesel automatic Verna gives me in the city around 10 to 11 kilometers per liter. But if I put this car in sports mode, I've observed that it gives me around 8 to 9 kilometers in bumper to bumper traffic. Just wanted to tell you about the economy, because in case anyone of you are interested to purchase the Seltos petrol, this might help you. And oh my god, I'm in love with this screen here.